Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to download and install a free antivirus for Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friend, how are you? Today in this lecture I wanna show you step by step how to download a free antivirus for your Windows 10. Okay, first of all, go to your browser as you can see here. Don't worry about the link, I will put in the description below. Guys, it's a Avast free antivirus. Avast. Okay, antivirus. Again, don't worry about the link, I will put in the description below. Okay, as you can see here, click download to start download Avast free antivirus. As you can see here in the left lower corner, click open file. Yes. Okay, now Avast free antivirus in the installation process. Okay, wait to install. Avast is a free antivirus, you can use it without any keys. As you can see here, yes, install Avast secure browser. Okay, make Avast secure browser my default browser. Okay, you can check or uncheck this. Okay, click install. You can also customize the product. As you can see here, we have many options like file shield, behavior shield, web shield, mail shield. You can check or uncheck this option. Okay, Wi-Fi inspector. Okay, I will let all. When you finish, click install. As you can see here in the right, Avast start to install, download and install all this product. Includes in Avast software. Okay, as you can see, all will be done. Click continue. Okay, you can run first scan. I will exit now. Okay guys, as you can see, Avast installation is finishing. Okay, as you can see, we have many options in the protection section like virus scans, core shield, virus chest, Wi-Fi inspector. As you can see, you can scan your network, home or public. Let's say home. Okay, looking for devices. Okay, two devices, as you can see. Now I will stop the scan. Okay, this is my router and this is my PC. Okay, in the network privacy, also we can save my password here. Webcam shield, sensitive data shield, also data shredder, password protection. Also performance. This free Avast Antivirus have a clean up premium, desktop mode, software updater. Okay, menu, settings. Okay, update, all up to date, protection, performance. Okay, so guys, here as you can see, press in the menu in the top to activate this free antivirus. You should to sign in, as you can see here. So click menu in the top, then sign in. If you don't have an account, you can sign in with Facebook or in Google account, or create an account here. Put your email address, password. I will put my email address. Okay, create account. Okay, okay, you should verify here your email address. I will verify. Okay, I will go to my email address. As you can see, we have in the inbox a message. Verify. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, continue. As you can see, hello, you're signed in as my email. That's it. Avast free antivirus active, expire in 27. Okay, the Avast pay on secure for 60 days. No thanks. Okay, as you can see here, guys, we have 1 year to expire. This date expire on August 28, 2021. So we have 365 days left. That's it, guys. Now we have a free antivirus for 1 year. Buy free. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.